Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can transfer Pi coins to your Trust wallet. Let's get started. So here we have a AI overview. Let's dive right in. So what you need to do essentially, first things first, is transfer Pi coins to a crypto exchange. Launch the Pi browser or application and visit your Pi network wallet. Unlock your wallet using your passphrase and then tap on pay/request and then manually add wallet address. Enter the recipient's wallet address. You will get this from the exchange itself and trade Pi for USDT. What you need to do is navigate to the spot trading section of your exchange, find the trading pair, which is Pi/USDT, and choose the order type and place your trade to exchange Pi for USDT. Now, all you simply need to do is withdraw your funds from the exchange to your Trust wallet. You can either withdraw as cryptocurrency or cash. If withdrawing as cryptocurrency, you can exchange USDT for other crypto assets if you desire. If withdrawing as cash, you can follow the exchange's instructions for cash withdrawal. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.